Are you looking for a low-light camera that can film in full colour in the middle of the night as if it were day? Well, I have just the kit for you. Oh, and you won't believe how good this tech really is. So, here it is. Introducing the new UniView OwlView range. This is available in bullet, turret and dome camera styles.
The cameras have a fixed 2.8mm lens with a 1-point f-stop aperture available in 4 or 8 megapixels. They also have a super wide 1.8-inch image sensor with 120 decibel wide dynamic range, and it's equipped with a built-in microphone.
Yeah, these cameras offer an incredible next-generation night view technology with performance that could even rival what the military are using. Yeah, see, the new high-quality, cost-effective camera range is powered by WiseISP, which is a completely new AI-enhanced night vision software that enhances the captured image from the camera live with results that are astounding. So stick around to the end when we will show you what this camera is truly capable of.
The hardware is enhanced by UniView's WiseISP software, but should it require it, they also have white light sources built in, just in case. It goes without saying they are also at the IP67 standard, so rest assured they can deal with all environments.
See, this low light tech is unrivaled by anything currently else on the market and will outperform most other manufacturers, arguably, that can only offer more expensive equipment even to match what this can do.
Each camera also has ultra motion detection capabilities built in, making it the ideal product to integrate into any UniView solution.
But what makes this camera range unique then? For me, it's the incredible night-to-day quality in-color low-light imagery that it produces. This thing has night view capabilities unlike anything else on the market. The colors it pulls from dark environments are so vivid, and it's in environments where other cameras would just struggle to even detect subjects in such low light, without heavy amount of post-processing or additional lighting in the environment, which would make a more complicated or messy install. This works perfectly out of the box, and the quality is just out of this world. But how does it do it? The hardware out there now do an incredible job at enhancing a low-light image, but its capability has reached an upper limit. Issues like brightness, color distortion, high noise, motion blur, glaring LED light, and shadowed images are just a challenge that make a camera placement obsolete if these images are not fixed in real time and produce a high enough quality image to be a useful security asset. This is where the new WiseISP software comes in. UniView's 5th generation of image enhancement technology uses a large AI model engine to process the image in real time, 15 times faster than the previous generation. This algorithm is trained on billions of images across 200 plus industrial scenarios that take live data from the hardware, automatically applies dynamic noise reduction, image descratching, brightness enhancement, restores true color with advanced smear control, and shadow correction, all directly to the image in milliseconds. Incredible. OwlView is a first for the industry, as nothing else quite performs quite like these cameras can at such an unbelievably low price. So, we took it out for a little night shoot to test out for ourselves. For the test, I've built this little rig. This is an OwlView camera 4 megapixel turret that is being powered and it's connected via Ethernet to the UniView ConnectBox Pro. Perfect little device for on the go. See, I can control and record this via my mobile phone using the UniView app. Perfect for this test. See the test? It's going to be against the digital camera that we're using now. See, the professional digital camera is going to be used more as the human eye equivalent, showing you how dark the streets really are and how much of a difference the OwlView camera makes. So, let's start the test. All I've got to do is wait till nightfall, take these two cameras out to York to see the dark, windy streets in full colour. Let's go. York is a historic city with 2,000 years of history being displayed down its dark streets and in its green areas. So naturally, this is a great testing ground to show off what this camera is truly capable of. So let's start at Skeltergate Bridge. good example of what both cameras are capable of in the same lighting. Okay, moving on. This is the Minster. Technically, it's a lit up duck monument, but you can't see it on more traditional camera. On the back is beautiful stained glass that you couldn't even see in the human eye. But the OwlView is lighting it up and colouring it perfectly.
Not be able to see anything from it, but this one, boom, look at that.
Bale Hill has absolutely no light enhancing the area, meaning the digital camera was useless. Whereas the OwlView is using what little light to enhance it. River is a great example of this to prove you can't put a light in the middle of there, you know it's nighttime, but put this camera here, it's really illuminating that as if it was a day. You couldn't see anything without this camera. That is such a boon to any project. It's the same with like streets and small spaces. You can trust that you're going to get the full picture out of this camera, get all that detail that you never could see. Why would you want this camera? Well, the price alone is a great reason to add this camera to any UniView installation. We've also had reviews from end users and installers that have all been left amazed at the quality that this gives. Hands down, the night view tech is amazing and the main reason to get this camera. The nighttime footage shown from these cameras makes the darkness almost look like day. It's this incredible night to day-like quality that makes it the perfect choice for any fixed external camera placements, where you want to make sure that you get a clear shot of what's going on no matter what the conditions. And whilst you may never need it, this camera also has integrated white light mode for those extremely low light environments with no ambient lighting, or for internal use where there's like zero lighting. These OwlView cameras really do pack in a punch with their stunning high-end performance at a price that is accessible to everyone. I mean, the WiseEyes software alone is an absolute game changer and really fun to play with. And personally, I feel this is a must-buy for anyone wanting to do a new install or even just upgrading the kit they already have. The night view technology alone will wow your clients, impress your visitors, maybe even wow your intruders as well. So install OwlView today if you want high-resolution imagery in colour, day and night.
Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of this type of video, and check out our other videos on the channel whilst you're there. Don't forget to go to cctvdirect.co.uk to check out the OwlView kit for yourself, or come and visit our shop. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.